Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to use Magnifier on your laptop. So to quickly enable Magnifier, you simply have to press the Windows button and plus button at the same time. Let me do it again. Okay, and the Magnifier is enabled. And let me move it farther away. Now on this settings bar, we can either decrease the zoom level or increase it by clicking these two options. We can use this button to read text from the screen. Since there's no text, it will probably read the name, the window we're currently at, which is just
recycle bin.
Okay, it read the first element on the screen. I thought it would read, it would say desktop. This button is used to select the place from which we want to start reading. So for example, if I click on
learn about this picture.
Yeah, so I clicked on this icon, and it read from the read the name of the text under it. So in the settings, you can change the speed of your zoom, and you can also change the voice of the reader. Now you can either go to settings from here, or if you want to know the path to the settings where you can enable, disable and set the magnifier for yourself, just go to Start menu, open Settings, then select Accessibility, then go to Magnifier. And here you can also enable or disable it. You can change the zoom level, also the zoom increment. You can change the view, and it's basically the main thing to do. For example, a duct magnifier looks like this. The full screen is the one you just saw. So the full screen looks like this. And the lens looks like this. So in case of duct and full screen magnifiers, you have a list of options. You can have your magnifier following your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor or narrator cursor. You can also, and for full screen, there are also options to keep the mouse pointer either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen, and you can also change the text cursor position the same way. And let's also check the options for the settings for the lens magnifier. In case of lens magnifier, you can simply resize the lens, change it however you want, like this. Now okay, we can open it right now to see how it looks, and that's pretty much it. So basically that's all the magnifier settings I could tell you about, and that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.